Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to stop autopay in LazyPay. So let's get started. First of all, open the LazyPay app. Then log into your account using your credentials. From the app's homepage, navigate to the menu or settings section. Look for an option called Autopay or Manage Autopay. After that, in the autopay section, you will see a list of active subscriptions linked to your LazyPay account. Now, tap on the subscription or payment plan you want to stop. Locate the turn off autopay or disable autopay button. Tap on it and confirm your action. You will receive a confirmation message that autopay has been disabled. Check your email or SMS for additional confirmation for LazyPay. Now autopay is successfully disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching.